In the previous lecture, we have seen how to create detail view. Now, we'll see Django views in detail, and also we'll see how to create list view in the function based views. So, book list and means a def book list. You can give the name whatever you want, and okay, QS, this is a QS means query set, and you can give okay, so the name of our model book dot objects dot all. This is the syntax to get the okay. So from, if you want to use your models, you need to import your models dot model import model name book. Okay, so after this we need to pass the context to get all the objects, and context you can give any name, variable name. Here I am giving book list to QS query set, and okay, template, you need to give template name. Template name is equal to book underscore list dot html, and okay, so then return render request you need to pass template and context. Okay, fair enough, but we need to create template as well, so we need to create template folder templates. Make sure you'll append S in templates. So after that, new file, save it first, book underscore list dot html, and okay, first we need to in the list view, in the book list view VIEW. Okay, fair enough. So for that this is the syntax to get the objects from our view. For book is any variable, and book list is what we created, so we need to pass in the list. So you can give object dot name. It will give us the all the names which we have created in the name of the books which we have created in the admin panel. Just copy this and paste it. You can give the name anything you want, book list, and book underscore list, and I'm giving the name of URL as a list, not book list but as a list. You can give it you can give the name whatever you want. So let's check it out once. Okay, invalid syntax because we missed the comma. Okay, save it and again check this out. Yes, server is proper, running book slash list. Okay, we forgot the and. Okay, so you make sure you complete the for by and for the syntax. So again, let's check it out again. Okay, it is not. Okay, this is not the object. Let's make it a book.name. Okay, great, fair enough. So if we add one more book, suppose book 3 and author 3, and suppose same date, and 500 is the price, and if we save, if we refresh, and great. So this is our book list view. We can will see all the list of the books which we have created in the admin panel. So now what I want to do is I want to click on the book and I want to show the details of the book. So let's make it the one more book detail, and after it book detail, then request, and let's make it QS as it is, and book dot objects. Let me copy this Okay, because it is a similar kind of and okay, let me make it book only to differentiate this, and book detail. At here you can give whatever you want. I am giving book detail as of now, and a new file called name book detail or HTML, and h1 in book detail view. Okay, so great, fair enough. And we want a book list, book details, so li, complete the li, and okay, so whatever we want, we have to write book dot name. This is we want, just copy, paste, again paste, and I want author as well, and publish date as well, and as well as I want price as well. So okay, so price. Okay, so here I want to share you one more thing. Whenever we create our detail view, we have to pass ID explicitly. This is the parameter. Why? Because when we go to the book, okay, let's refresh the page, and okay, just go to the books, and okay, whenever we go to book 1, it will give us one ID called 6. This is the ID of this record. For the next record, if we go, then it will give us ID. So we need to get ID to get the detail view from our list view. This is one kind of list view of admin, and if we want the detail view, we have to get the ID. How? Passing the ID explicitly, and we need to pass it ID is equal to ID, and we have to create our URL just bit differently. So let me copy this and paste it over here, book detail, and import this name as well, and we need to pass here a regular expression which will give us an ID. So you can find Django regex in the Django documentation, and you can find some in the, this is called a regular expression, so you can find as well as the name group syntax. Okay, so just make it little bit easier. This is the basically syntax of regular expression. You can check it out by your own. Yeah, we can write the regular expression like this, as well as like this, and whatever you want. So let me write a regular expression over here, just round brackets, question mark, capital P, and ID in angular brackets, and backward slash D plus. Okay, this is how, this is a regular expression. You can search on Google for more details, and this is how we can create our, okay, this is our list view, and if we want to click on the book, we have to pass a link from the list view. So a tag, I hope all you know about a tag, href book slash, we need to pass ID over here where we want to go, object dot ID, and close the a tag, and we need to cut and paste over here. Okay, so this is how we can see our list view clickable, and if we click, there might be some mistake. Object.id, not object.id, but this is book.id. Book.id, book name is clickable. We have to go to book ID. ID is proper. Okay, all got. Okay, yeah, got the error. The wrong syntax in this. Okay, we need to get this out, not all. So this is our main mistake. So don't be hesitate, don't be impatient. Just check what's wrong with it. and okay, fair enough. I undo that only, and great, I got the book detail. Fine. So I got the details over here: name, author, published date, and price. Okay, so I make it little bit I guess so we can also, okay, UL and little bit nicer, create it little bit nicer, and let's check it out once. What's the format? So last but not least, this is somewhat redundant. We shouldn't do this because this is not a feasible solution, but I'm just showing you the right format. Okay, so this is our book name, this is our detail view. So this is how we can create our detail view of the books, and by going to the book and list view, this is our book list view. So this is it for the session. If you have some doubt, let us know, otherwise keep going. We have seen Django views. We have created a list view using function based views. In the next lecture, we'll see how to create a create view.